How to find Roblox user ID on mobile. So if you want to find your Roblox user ID on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search and search for roblox.com. Once you're here on your roblox.com, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, if it says continue in app, then you just need to simply go with continue in browser, which is on the bottom. Now, once you're on your browser and once you've logged in, you need to go with your profile. You'll have your profile on the top right on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, now you need to go with the search. You need to tap on the search bar and go with the pencil shaped icon, which is here on the right side. And here you'll have your user ID. So after www.roblox.com/users/ you will have an ID, right? So this is your Roblox user ID, which is from here to here. So that's how you can find your Roblox user ID on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.